Hello guys, Mike here with 2 Scrapping. Today we're going to be scrapping, well tonight I guess, some drills. These are battery operated. This one's drill and then this one's like a powered or like a driver I guess. They didn't come with batteries, so unfortunately we lose out on that. Yeah, I can use that. Like this battery here is nickel cadmium, something like that. So I've never really sold any of these batteries before, just the regular car batteries and smaller batteries. But that's about it. Alright, let's start off with this one here. Now we're just going to go around, take off the screws. You already know the drill. Man, my jokes are just lame. Oh, that's a non-cooperator. Let's see. You need to get a whole new drill set here. Mine's missing all kinds of stuff in it already, so maybe that should be the giveaway. Give out a drill and something like this. You know, like some drill bits and stuff with some of these, so that somebody that's just beginning, you know, have the luxury of scrapping a little bit faster. I know when I first started, I didn't have a drill, or I think I just had a screwdriver, flathead, Phillips, a few other stuff, a hammer for sure. I think I did a video on like my scrapping tools for a beginner. I didn't have anything, just had some stuff that I had laying around, and then slowly started buying more tools. Alright, so this thing is really, well, duh. There's a screw right there. I missed it right in here. Always look around for screws. Look at that. See how easy that was? Put that off to the side. Alright, a little switch here. Take that. Plastic. Alright, so we're going to have that switch here. So I'm just going to go ahead go around and clean all the wiring. And I think on this one, or both of these, they left them outside and water got on them, so it kind of messed up the motor. See, there's like all this junk and stuff in there, so I'm really not sure. My neighbor bought it to me, so it's like, here you go, so you can scrap it. Really cool. Just, I don't know why I cut that. Anyways. Damn it. It's like an inductor or something. Just throw that with the rest that I have collected over here. So this one I'm probably just gonna throw it with the, yeah, I'm just gonna throw this switch here with the rest of my switches. Let's take that plastic off. So yeah, this is gonna go with my rest of my switches. So when I took them apart, I can look in there and see if there's any silver contacts, and then this is gonna be some aluminum. So I'm gonna flip this off. So we got a little bit of wiring. I don't even think this is worth it. And electric motor. Hardly weighs anything. And then just some ferrous material here. And the motor spins this. The gears in there, and that's it. And I have no idea. Yeah, see? And that's all we have. It's all ferrous. So ferrous bucket, little electric motor, some plastic. Alright, let's go on to the next one real quick. I'm pretty sure it's going to be exactly the same. Oh crap. I lost the bit again. Here's another one. Alright. Did I miss some? Oh, see, look, there's some right here in the front. Take this off. I didn't think that was worth taking off. Yeah, I can see this machine in there, so only way you're gonna get that out is like breaking it open and stuff. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna throw it. You can throw this with let's see, this aluminum, and then the inside part, this little knob here, that's iron or ferrous. So you probably throw that with your irony aluminum if your yard buys irony aluminum. So over there it goes. Alright. Yeah, see? Exactly the same. We have this piece here, which is going to be the same, cast aluminum, and then this ferrous material right here, which is machined in there. So I'm gonna try to sell that as dirty aluminum. Alright, so here, just same as the other one. So we have two motors now. I'm going to flip all this off. It's all going to be number 2 insulated. Throw those screws away. Ferrous bucket. Cut all these wires. This off. Alright. Switch for the switch box. And then some number 2 insulated, which is hardly any. Just gonna go ahead and throw all that like that to my number 2 insulated bucket. Well, I've got a little bit of aluminum, not even worth weighing. And we got 2 small electric motors. How about that? Hardly any copper in them, not even worth taking apart. So if you're gonna scrap a power drill, I probably wouldn't take it apart. I would just take the battery off, and that's about it. And then just like this one, I would just take the battery off, sell that separately, or keep that for another drill, and then just throw this with the ferrous and call it a day. I don't think it's worth your time to take all that apart just to get 2 electric motors and like hardly anything. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave comments if you would like to see a certain video on something, you know, something crazy, an item that you haven't seen been scrapped. I'll try to look for one and do a video on it and give you a shout out on my video. So thanks again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.